attacked the Director of Criminal Investigations, George Kinoti, over his remark on plans to revive the 2007-2008 post-election files. Ruto was speaking in Nakuru County during the burial of Edith Wanjiku, mother to Bahati MP Kimani Ngunjiru. Ruto's allies, however, appeared lukewarm in the ongoing BBI debate. And as Lynette Githua now reports, the DP is set to meet his allies to make clear his stand on the debate.
Deputy President William Ruto, during a burial in Nakuru County, called out the alleged abuse of state officers being influenced politically. In an apparent attack on the Director of Criminal Investigations, George Kinoti, following his recent plans to review 2007-2008 post-election violent cases, Ruto expressed his concerns over the spirited efforts to scuttle political ambitions of other leaders to the extent of investigating violence through public offices.
And I want to say for the record, the abuse of criminal investigation and criminal prosecution targeting people because of their tribe or their political affiliation is the wrong thing to do. But it is worse if criminal investigation and criminal prosecutions are used to incite ethnic hate and tribalism in our nation. I want to ask public officers charged with the responsibility of doing the job of protecting our country not to use those offices for the wrong things.
He also expressed vehemence casting out those in the business of causing hate and division.
Hakuna mtu katika bonde la ufa ambaye atatishwa na mwenzake. Hakuna mtu katika bonde la ufa ambaye atatuletea tena siasa ya ukabila na chuki.
Let us continue to live in peace. Nothing else is more precious than peace. And so we must jealously guard our peace. Ni sisi tunajua ile shida tutapata if we were to go that direction.
On his part, Nakuru Governor Lee Kinyanjui called on the residents to support the BBI Constitution amendments, singling out a section of the document as beneficial to the country. Kapsaret MP Oscar Sudi, however, regretted that the BBI was being used as a smokescreen by a section of political leaders to push their selfish agenda.
We will not be spectators when the BBI goes through. So even on our side, anybody who is thinking of a constellation of how those 5 or 6 can be, Nakuru must be part of that equation. And I want to urge you, Your Excellency, even as our sisters here and our brothers oppose, ninawaombea, when the time comes, remember Nakuru. This is how we want, so that the whole of Kenya, the whole of all communities feel they are part and parcel of this whole thing called BBI.
Gongana tena, hiyo mimi nataka niambia walivu, wajipange na washindwe kabisa. Kwa sababu sisi kama wananchi, hatuwezi sidi kila siku kupiganisha wananchi kwa sababu tunajitakia makuu. Hata hii maneno ya BBI, Your Excellency, mimi sina shida na BBI, lakini swali yangu ni moja, tulifika haje kwa maneno ya katiba? Walituambia ati wanatafuta wazee wa kwenda kuchukua maoni na kukutanisha watu katika taifa la Kenya. Hii utapeli iko Kenya hii.
This comes ahead of the ongoing BBI signature solicitation in the country. Lynette Githua, TV47.